Hey everyone, I'm officially done with my electrical rough-in, so I thought I'd give you guys a quick update. Keep in mind the majority of my systems and electrical components are 12 volt, so this was a fairly simple rough-in installation. I do have a couple AC appliances that I will be plugging in, but that portion of the build is way simpler given my all-in-one AC200 solar generator. Before we get started on the electrical rough-in, we're going to install the bracketeer bracket for the fire extinguisher, and of course I have to get the white one to match the van. The bracket just barely fits underneath the seat rail here, and you can see I still have some room to access the swivel seat push button. And just like that, we're done. We can access the extinguisher quickly from the cab and doesn't impact the swivel action. So my AC200 is going to be mounted up somewhere in this location. So all my rough electrical cables are coming out of this condition. Quick little tip, I had some leftover kill mat or dynamat sound deadening. This is a good use of any of the scraps that you may have to just wrap the rough edges. Does a really good job actually of protecting the cables. So you can see I've installed the MC4 male and female connectors on my solar panels and the cables. I have some cables coming through here, up and over, up top and coming around and back down. I also have a cable roughed in where the old LED lights used to be plugged into. That comes around here, travels up and over, comes down. Sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy here. Comes down, pops out right here. And what I want to try and do is route this, or connect a LED strip on this guy and have it light up the step when I open and close, or I guess just open the door. It'll light up that step nicely. I've routed my LED cabling. Just labeled it real quickly on the ceiling here. Just 5 of them, really simple. Should be enough light in this area. And then the last thing is I formally routed my max air fan up and around through the cavity, goes through this cavity here in the frame, and then pops out right over here, right there. All these 12 volt components are going to plug into my Blue Sea fuse box, which I'll show you guys in a different video once I get all that finalized. So for my 110 outlets, it's really simple with an all-in-one solar generator. You just simply plug in to the unit. I have 2 that I plan to plug in that need to route up and over the ceiling. So that's going this way, back up over into this header here. Comes around. You can see the cable there. One's going here, one's actually going down this way. This one's going to be for a microwave, so I can plug that in, and I'll finish it off with a nice outlet that'll mount into the cabinet. And then the other one I was talking about goes right there. See if it'll focus. Goes right there, pops out here, and there'll be another outlet. I'll have my kitchen galley right over here. It'll be mounted on the side of the wall on that kitchen galley. And that should be it. So like I said, fairly simple and should be just fine for my end use. Thanks for watching.